This know-how video will provide instructions on how to install AhsayCBS using Docker Engine on Linux environment. The following are the system requirements: a 64-bit version of Ubuntu, and administrative access to install software packages. Important note: consider the following security implications and firewall incompatibilities before installing Docker. If using UFW or firewalled, to manage firewall settings. When you expose container ports using Docker, these ports bypass the firewall rules. For more details, check the link in the description below. Docker is only compatible with iptables NFT and iptables legacy. Use iptables or IP6 tables to create firewall rule sets and add them to the Docker user chain. For more information, please check the link in the description below. Firewall rules created with NFT are not supported. Setting up Ubuntu environment. Before starting the installation, prepare the Ubuntu environment first by running the following commands using the terminal or PuTTY. Step 1. To update the package list for upgrades in new package installations. Step 2. To install necessary packages for Docker, including certificates, curl, GNU-PG, LSP release information, and LSOF, which is used to list open files. Step 3. To add Docker's official GPG key to ensure authenticity of Docker packages. Step 4. To set up a repository for Docker. Step 5. To update the package list again to include the Docker repository. Step 6. To install the Docker Engine, Docker CLI, and Containerd, which are required for running containers. And Step 7. To add the current user to the Docker group. Take note: if the Docker group is not created automatically, create the group by running this command. Create and start containers. Run the following in the terminal to create the AhsayCBS Docker root folder. To create the AhsayCBS Docker with latest release version. Take note: specific release version may also be used by replacing AhsayCBS9:latest with a specific version. The local server's folder structure for the above example will automatically create and clone the default configuration if it does not exist, or it will use the existing folder and configuration file. To check the Docker status, access the AhsayCBS web console using your backup server URL. For other functions, to stop and start container, run using the terminal. To recreate the container, run using the terminal. To clean up Docker environment, if issues are encountered and there's a need to remove all Docker containers and images, run the following commands using the terminal. Important note: this will remove all Docker containers and images. Ensure there are no other Docker instances you need. To upgrade AhsayCBS, Step 1. Stop the container. Step 2. Remove the container. And Step 3. Download the update.